Alrighty guys, got the 7.3 in its final spot, all parked. It's looking good. Now it's time to say goodbye to it till springtime. Now we're gonna go ahead and get a cover on it and be good to go. Alright, so this is the cover I got for the 7.3. Got it from EmpireCovers.com. When I was looking for a cover and doing some research, I figured out that Empire and Budge are pretty much the same thing. So, as you can see, it says Budge on the box. So, I'm going to do a quick little unboxing for you guys here. I got their Titan Sentry 5L. It's got a 7-year warranty on it. They give you a bunch of stuff. They give you some microfiber towels. And then, I believe it comes with a few of these, but I got some extra ones. It's their gust guards. Got the mini. Don't remember how many I got of each. This is their full gust guard. I think I might have got 2 of each. I don't fully remember. Yeah, I think I got 2 of each. And this comes with it as well. It's like a cable lock, so you can lock the cover on there if you want to. This is like a little bag for the cover. So I think this should be the, yeah, it's a second mini gust guard. Okay. Budge. I haven't even taken this out yet, so we'll see how it looks. Should be a pretty heavy duty cover, I think. It was pretty nice. It was like a $150 cover, so paid for it. Guess there was some stuff in there. These are the antenna patches if you'd want to cut a hole in it and keep your antenna on. And looks like some more. These might be gust guards or something. Okay, well, I'll get this opened up and then we'll go ahead and put it on the truck. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and put the cover on. My buddy Vaughn's going to be helping me. He's a little camera shy, so go get it.
Why do I feel like I linger between the words to say the words to remember. Now we're here to take control over your body and over your soul. We're gonna take back everything and lose it all, lose it all, lose it all. Feel it in your arms, feel it in your legs, feel it on your fingertips and feel it in your head. Just let your body go, just let your body go, just let your body go and move to the rhythm.
Well, got it covered up. This cover really, it covers the majority of it. I'm surprised how much it got. I didn't think it'd go down to the wheels and whatnot, but it really gets the majority of it. Vaughn, you want to be on camera? Huh? Looks pretty good. Pretty happy with it. I got the color in gray. I think you can get them in tan. It's like a kind of like a felt or microfiber on there. Works pretty well. Surprised I got it. I'm really happy with how much it covers. Gets almost all of it. I mean, I can show you. Got the majority of it. Over here, parked next to the Red Devil. Get in there, Vaughn. And he's gone. Alright, we're gonna try to get these See if we can get any of the gust guards on there. Yeah, I forgot to mention, or really I forgot that there's, in each container, there's actually 2 gust guards in each, so I actually got 4 of each. So right now we got the 2 full gust guards going across. They're going to put 1 mini front and back.
Now we won't go back home today, until the very.
Alright, so we got it all covered up. Got the gust guards on there. Budge. Looking good. Time to sit there for a few months. So yeah, these gust guards are pretty nice. I mean, you know, it is parked inside, but you know, come like springtime or whatever, depending on how long it's going to sit here, the doors open. If it's warm out, we have the doors open a lot, so keeps it from coming off. Alright, so we are officially done covering the 7.3. Got a few gust guards on there just to be safe. And just as an extra step of precaution, and cause why not, decided to throw the cable on there with one of the biggest, baddest locks I have ever seen. Would you check that out? I don't think anything's getting through that. We are good to go. I mean, isn't that just looks tough. I mean, come on. Nobody's getting through that. Alright, so that's it. The official goodbye to the 7.3. Please give me a like on the video. Helps me out a lot. And if you're new, go ahead and subscribe for a lot more videos. And thanks for watching. See you guys later.